Hey, hi guys, welcome back to knowledgeola.com. So, today I'm going to explain my GitHub repositories. You will get a lot of methods, a lot of microservices examples, and some UI examples in these repositories. So, I will walk you through this repository so you can get the benefit from this repository. And I'm continuously developing and uploading the samples code here in this particular GitHub accounts. So you can also do this exercise and you can start writing the codes and upload the code in your GitHub repository. It is a very good exercise, and this exercise is going to help other developers or any other interns to get the knowledge of the code and write more efficient and effective code. So I'm not going to take more time. Here I am going to start explaining, or you can say navigating my GitHub repository. So this is my GitHub repository. You have to log in with github.com and search my name DKNITK. So if you search DKNITK, then you will be able to access my GitHub account. If you don't have the account, you can go to knowledgeola.com. That is also one way to find out my GitHub repository. So once you are in a knowledgeola.com website, then click on, or I will tell you another way. So this is my website. So here, what you can do, you can just go to the about. Inside about, obviously this is my AI generated picture. So don't think about I'm that much old. So here under this about section, you will get GitHub URL. So using this GitHub URL, you can directly access my GitHub account. And this is my LinkedIn profile. If you want to see my LinkedIn profile, you can also navigate my LinkedIn profile using this, and all the achievement, whatever I have done, like certifications and other stuff, you can get it using this. Okay, so I'm going to concentrate here more on GitHub. Okay, so if you see this GitHub, if you click on repositories, then it will navigate you to my repositories. And under that, if you see first project, you will see Java underscore interview projects. So here in this particular Java project, you will see a lot of code related to Java coding practice. So if you go to source, you have to click on com. Then under com, you will see a lot of packages are available like Java Basic. So if you see Java Basic, we have a lot of classes here. Java class, Java file, equality of two arrays. So you clicked on that, then you will see how exactly this method is written. So you can copy this particular method and run on your favorite uh, integrated development repository, integrated IDE environment, IntelliJ, Eclipse, or any other, whatever you like. So this project basically is this repository is having all the code related to Java. Now I will go back to repository. Okay, so see here Python code example. So if you are interested on Python code, then you can navigate to this particular repository, and here you will get all the codes related to Python. So how exactly we are doing? You can copy paste this code and run on a PyCharm. Then Spring Framework example. So if you clicked on this Spring Framework example, then you will get all employee CRUD, like employee create, read, update, and delete operations. It is a Springboot application here, so you will get it that way. Knowledgeola.to document. Okay, this is a private. It is a my personal documents. Angular app related to Angular application and programs. Obviously, again, it is going to be a Python code or Java code here inside this. Interview coding problems related to interview questions. Spring Boot, EMS other